Welcome to our CARB loading series, where we'll prepare you to meet upcoming emissions regulations. In this video, we're going to explore the Clean Truck Check regulations set forth by the California Air Resources Board, better known as CARB. If you don't already know, CARB is a regulatory agency that oversees and is responsible for improving air quality in California by reducing carbon emissions through truck and bus regulations. CARB has enacted the Clean Truck Check rule, requiring all non-gasoline heavy-duty vehicles with a gross vehicle weight rating over 14,000 pounds to pass emission inspections to operate in California. CARB also impacts trucks from other states that travel on California roads, as they too must comply with these regulations. These inspections are biannual and must be performed using a CARB-approved device and application. These inspections are crucial to ensure that emission control systems are consistently maintained. Inspections allow CARB to identify any issues that may lead to excess emissions and ensure repairs are made. When it comes to staying up to date on inspections, it's important to invest in tools such as Norgon's Truck Checkup. Fleet and service centers that invest in Truck Checkup can connect to any of their heavy-duty vehicles that apply to the program and send information to CARB for a pass-fail assessment to be made. We've included a link below to learn more about Truck Checkup. In the next video, we'll discuss the consequences fleets may face for not complying with CARB's regulations.